Hello everyone. On today's video, I'm sharing with you a very easy recipe for hand pies. So, if you're still interested, please continue watching. Hello everyone, my name is Mari Dominguez, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to a little bit of everything, where I share with you easy DIYs, recipes, and a little bit more. So please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. With that being said, let's begin. Alrighty guys, so for today's recipe, we're going to be needing some cinnamon, vanilla extract, 1 egg, some flour. I have here some plant butter, but you can use regular butter. A box of the apple crisp mix from Calhoun Bend Mill. Now I'm going to be trying that one for the first time. 1 can of the apple pie filling and some pie crust. In this case, I'm using the pre-made Pillsbury homemade, so it says here anyway. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our pie filling mix. Now I'm using basically a pre-made pie filling because I'm not sure if I can get the regular pie filling, the homemade pie filling done. So, hence the reason why this is what I'm going for today. But, who knows, maybe in a future video, I'll be brave enough and try to make my homemade pie filling, right? We'll see. So, we're just gonna throw in this Calhoun Bend apple crisp mix in a bowl. And we're taking 4 tablespoons of butter and we're throwing it in there too, melted. And the 1 can of the apple pie filling. This one is 21 ounces, so just in case. And we're just going to put it in the bowl there, and we're just going to mix them in together. And hopefully this will taste as good as I think it will. I just love taking you guys on these journeys with me. This one actually though is the first time I've ever done something like this. So this is a learning process for me too, guys. So let's see how this one turns out. We're just mixing that in there. Oopsie. Try not to spill it like I did. Well, this apple pie filling smells very good. Well guys, it's looking nice. It's looking yummy. I hope it tastes as yummy as it looks. Look at that. Very pretty. Now on a clean surface, you're going to sprinkle a little flour. And we're going to start rolling out the pie crust. Like I said, guys, this is the first time for me, so bear with me. Bear with me, please. So they come 2 in a pack, and this is how they come in here. So far, easy peasy, guys. So far, easy peasy. Just gonna carefully roll this out. Onto this nice floured flat surface. And we're gonna roll it out a little bit with the pen. We're not making it thin, we're just making it more even like. Now I've always tried to find a nice easy recipe to make some baked pies, like hand pies, and maybe later on do some baked empanadas. So let's see, maybe I found the right one. Now we're going to be needing a round item. I don't have a cookie cutter or whatever, so you're gonna find something that's 3.5 to 4 inches in diameter, and you're just gonna wiggle it and cut little circles. Yay, look it, I got my first circle, and I have a already aligned sheet. And I'm placing them on there. I don't know, I'm so excited. It's coming out. It's coming out so cute. Now this, you can rework and roll out into more crust, but luckily we still have another package here. And yeah. This one's giving me a little trouble to open, but we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Thank God for Pillsbury. Flatten this out a little bit. Now out of the first one, I got 5, so I should be able to get 5 more here, guys. Oh, this one got stuck inside. How funny is that? Well, guys, this one I'll roll it out later and make some more, but let's continue on. So now that we have them on our lined baking cookie sheet or whatever, I probably went a little bit overboard in my explanation there, but you're gonna take a spoon, and these are actually, this canned pie filling is wedges, so you just want to like just take a spoon, I would say a tablespoon with a wedge. I don't know. If you want to have it a little bit more filled up, then you can put more in there. Now, I'm going to do these that they're going to be one on top of the other. So, we're not going to make them into little turnovers because they did turn out smaller than I had anticipated. And I'm talking about the little circles here. Sure. Filling them up like so. And I did wind up getting at least, I think it was 4 or 5 more circles out of the scraps of the pie crust that I was that was left behind. So yeah. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to take the other ones and we're just going to lay it on top. I'm going to lay them on top. This one's a little thick. Like that. And this is like I said, it's very easy. I wanted to find a very simple recipe to try it for my first time. And like I told y'all, I'm trying it out here with you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a fork and we're just going to pinch them down. Pinch them down with the fork, the top one with the bottom one. Looking like some circle Puerto Rican pastelillos here, or empanadas like others call them. And being that the pie crust and the pie filling is pre-made, this doesn't take too long to prep. And I don't know, I just like, there could be a toss-up here. I know that McDonald's has apple pies and they're pretty good, but did you know that Taco Bell, and mind you, I'm not a real fast food type of gal, but Taco Bell has these really good apple pies. So I'm hoping these taste like the ones from Taco Bell, guys. Don't laugh and bear with me, okay? We'll see. We'll find out in the end if all this fuss was worth it. Because if it is, then yay. And if it's not, well, you learn as you go along. And like I said, there are 2 different ways to do these. Like if you have one of these little things, you can put the crust here and then and it becomes a nice, quick and easy turnover. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Alrighty, so remember that egg? This is what we're going to do. You're going to beat the egg with 1 tablespoon of milk. And we're going to just whitewash the top here. The egg wash, not whitewash. Shush, I'm not painting. Oh my goodness. Lord help me. Egg wash here, the top of the mini pie, handheld pie, apple turnover, whatever we're going to call them. That's what we're doing. And once that is done, once they're all with their little egg wash, we're going to cut 2 slits in the middle so that they won't, well, let's do 3 just in case to be safe, right? So that the hot air can bubble out and they won't burst in the oven and we won't have any kind of accidents in the oven. Be back. Alrighty guys, so I have on hand a mixture of cinnamon sugar, but you can make your own if you like, and you're just gonna sprinkle some on top before putting these puppies in the oven. Now I have the oven preheating and set already for baking at 420 degrees. And we're going to be baking these for 20 minutes. So let's get these puppies in the oven and rock and roll. And here they are, guys. I wound up putting 2 more back onto the baking rack just to show you how awesome they look. They're looking very yummy. 20 minutes in the oven. So let's see if they taste as good as they smell, because OMG guys, the smells in my kitchen right now.